If you keep hearing that AI can build things for you, but every tool wants a monthly subscription, this video is your shortcut. I pulled together 10 open source GitHub projects that are basically free superpowers. They can make a full video from one sentence, clone your voice on your own machine, edit your raw footage, rebuild any website into real code, hand you Meta's own UI building blocks, hack your app to find its security holes, score resumes for you, help you build and deploy your own agents, route your AI through cheaper models, and even give you a 147-person AI agency for $0. The goal here is simple: save you weeks of digging through GitHub and hand you a stack of projects you can actually use today. Without wasting time, let's get started.
Welcome back to ManuAGI tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video.
Project number 1, OpenMontage, the one-sentence movie studio. First up is OpenMontage, and this is the one that makes people's jaw drop, so it earns the opening slot. The repository calls itself the world's first open-source, agentic video production system, and it recently hit number 1 on GitHub trending. In plain English, you type one sentence describing a video, and it runs the entire production for you. It researches the topic, writes the script, generates the visuals and voiceover, edits everything together, and hands you a finished video. The README highlights 12 pipelines for different styles, from animated explainers to cinematic trailers to talking head videos, plus 52 tools and hundreds of agent skills. What makes this a perfect opener is the proof. The team showed a Pixar-style short film that cost around $1.30 to produce. It runs mostly free using open tools, and you only add paid keys if you want premium voices or visuals. For your viewer, this is the Become a One-Person Video Studio upgrade. Project number 2, Voicebox. Clone any voice, free and private. Next is Voicebox, which moves the story from making videos to making voices. The repo positions it as an open-source AI voice studio built by Jamie Pine, the creator of Space Drive, and its big selling point is that everything runs locally on your own computer, so your voice never leaves your machine. The README describes zero-shot voice cloning from just a few seconds of audio, text-to-speech in 23 languages, a global dictation hotkey that lets you talk into any app, and an MCP server, so your AI agent can speak in a cloned voice. Think of it as a free, private alternative to paid tools like 11 Labs and WhisperFlow bundled into one desktop app. Because the models run locally, there are no monthly fees, though a decent computer or GPU will make it faster. For your audience, the promise is clean: your own voice AI studio with nothing to pay and nothing sent to the cloud. Project number 3, Video Use, the AI editor that reads your mind. Third is Video Use, from the team behind Browser Use, and this one is for anyone who finds video editing intimidating. The tagline is simply edit videos with coding agents. The workflow the README describes is refreshingly lazy in the best way. You drop your raw clips into a folder, tell your AI coding assistant what you want in plain English, and it hands back a finished MP4. Under the hood, it cuts out filler words and dead space, color corrects, adds smooth audio fades at every cut, burns in stylized subtitles, and can even generate animation overlays, then reviews its own work before rendering. There is one clever design detail worth mentioning on camera. It does not watch the footage frame by frame. It reads the transcript, which is what keeps it fast and affordable. Be honest about the cost here, though. It needs FFmpeg installed and a paid 11 Labs key for the transcription, so this is one of the few on the list that isn't fully free. Project number 4, AI Website Cloner. Copy any website in one command. Fourth is the AI Website Cloner template, and this is a strong segment because the result is so visual. The repo lets you clone any website with a single command using AI coding agents, rebuilding a page into clean, modern, editable code you can actually work with. The process the README lays out is genuinely smart. It does reconnaissance by taking screenshots and extracting the exact design tokens, then it measures the real colors, fonts, and spacing, spins up parallel builder agents, and assembles everything into a Next.js project, even downloading the images and icons before running a visual diff to check its work. One important note to say out loud, because it protects both you and your viewers: this is meant for sites you own or for learning and migration, not for copying someone's brand to deceive people. The project itself states the same thing. Position this as the recreate any site you admire as real code in one command project. Project number 5, Astryx, Meta's secret UI building blocks. Fifth is Astryx, And this one comes straight from Meta, which instantly gives the segment credibility. The repo describes it as an open-source design system that is fully customizable and agent-ready. In plain English, it is a big library of ready-made, good-looking, accessible UI components, the same kind of building blocks that Meta says have matured internally for 8 years and now power over 13,000 of their apps across Facebook, Instagram, and Threads. What makes it fit an AI channel is the agent-ready part. It exposes a machine-readable command line tool and MCP server, so your AI coding assistant can read the docs and assemble correct, consistent interfaces for you instead of guessing. The README covers a large component set, brand-level theming, dark mode, ready-to-ship templates, and 10 built-in visual styles. It is more of a developer tool than a flashy one-click app, so frame it honestly as Meta gave away the building blocks it uses for its own apps and made them so AI can assemble the UI for you. Project number 6, Strix. Your personal AI hacker. 6th is Strix. And this is where the video gets a little dramatic. The tagline says it best. Open source AI hackers that find and fix your app's vulnerabilities. It is essentially the free, open source answer to the expensive commercial AI hacker tools, and it behaves like a real penetration tester. You point it at your code or your website. Its AI agents probe for weaknesses like SQL injection and cross-site scripting, and here is the key part that separates it from noisy scanners. It does not just guess, it proves each bug with a real working example, so you get far fewer false alarms. It can then write the fix for you as a pull request and plug into your workflow to block insecure code before it ships. 2 honest notes to say on camera. First, only ever run this on apps you own or have permission to test, because anything else is illegal. Second, quick mythbuster. You may see a $117 million funding figure floating around online attached to this space, but that number belongs to a rival tool, not Strix. Strix itself needs a paid AI key, so each skin costs a few dollars in usage. Project number 7, Hiring Agent, the AI that reads resumes for you. 7th is Hiring Agent, built by the Hackering team, and I like it here because it broadens the video beyond pure creativity into something practical for anyone who hires. The repo describes an AI agent that reads a resume PDF and produces a fair, explainable score for the candidate. The pipeline in the README is thoughtful. It extracts the structured details from the PDF, and then, instead of just trusting what the resume claims, it checks the person's actual GitHub to see their real projects and contributions. It scores candidates across categories like open source work and production experience, and crucially, it explains why it gave each score, so it is not a mysterious black box, and it can export everything to a spreadsheet. It can run fully free on local models or with a Google Gemini key. For your audience, position this as they automate the tedious first pass of hiring fairly project, which lands especially well with the business owners watching. Project number 8, Agent CLI, Google's cheat code for building agents. 8th is Agent CLI, and this one is official from Google, so it makes a natural, now build your own turning point in the video. After watching all these agents in action, the obvious next question is how to create one yourself, and this is Google's answer. The repo describes a command line tool and a set of skills that turn your coding assistant into an expert at creating, evaluating, and deploying AI agents on Google Cloud. The workflow is beginner approachable. You install it, describe the agent you want, even something playful like an agent that compresses long text into caveman grunts, and it scaffolds the whole project for you, then helps you test it and deploy it when you are ready. Be clear about cost so nobody gets surprised. Building locally works with a free AI studio key, while deploying to the cloud uses a paid Google Cloud project. This is the most developer-focused pick in the lineup, so frame it as the level up and build your own agents segment. Project number 9, OmniRoute. One hub for every AI model. 9th is OmniRoute, and here is a fun bit of continuity. If you watched the last episode, this is the more powerful cousin of 9router that we covered there, since OmniRoute is built on that same foundation. It is an AI gateway, meaning one local hub that connects your AI coding tools to dozens of different model providers, with prompt compression to cut token usage and automatic fallback, so you, in its words, never stop coding. According to the current repo README, it claims support for well over 100 providers, format translation between them, and a tiered fallback from paid to cheap to free models. I want to be straight with you on this one. The same way we were with 9router. Present the free unlimited promises as what the README currently claims, not a forever guarantee, because routing some of those free providers through a proxy can break their terms of service and, by the project's own documentation, risk getting your account banned. So show it as an interesting, advanced, at your own risk option, and if anyone tries it, they should use a throwaway account. Position it as the project that helps you fight token burn with eyes open. Project number 10, the agency. Hire 147 AI experts for $0. The final project is the agency, and it is the perfect closer because it has by far the biggest social proof on this list, well over 100,000 stars on GitHub. The repo describes it as a complete AI agency at your fingertips, and that is exactly what it is. A huge collection of specialist AI personalities, 147 of them, each one a role-specific expert with its own process and deliverables. There is a front-end developer, a UX researcher, a marketing strategist, a security architect, and dozens more organized into divisions like engineering, design, marketing, sales, product, and security. You install them with a script or a one-click desktop app, and then you simply call the expert you need by name or assemble a whole team to work on a project together, including a reality checker whose job is to keep the others honest. Best of all, it is completely free. End the video here on the big number because hire an entire company of AI experts for $0 is the line that makes people subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next update.